Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will get to know how to disappear tasks on Asana. So you can see under the list option, we have all the tasks. Now click on all tasks. You can see there is options incomplete tasks, completed tasks. Now if you click on incompleted tasks, you can see the completed tasks are disappear. So now when you click on completed tasks, like all completed tasks, now if you click on today, so you can see the other tasks are now disappear. Now you can mark and unmark all the tasks and now select the relevant option to disappear the tasks. So by using this method, you can disappear the 2 days, weekly, monthly, and completed all the tasks according to your choice.